Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to finish our Peruvian textile patterned papers. And last week we just kind of got started. If you feel like you messed up on your paper, I will give you a new paper when the video is over and you can restart this week. So last week you got a sheet of paper that had some sections or lines drawn on it. And we talked about drawing simple shapes that go from the top to the bottom, top to the bottom, top to the bottom, all the way across. So you can see here I've gotten started. I've drawn triangles all the way across, circles all the way across, squares all the way across. I showed some students last week how to draw a diamond by drawing an X. Kind of messed that one up. It's a big X. An X and an X. When you let your X connect, it makes diamonds. Okay? All right, and if you mess up, it's okay. Sometimes if I mess up like that, I just thicken my line a little bit, and then it's like no one even knows I messed up. Okay? So we can have a thick line. All right. So that gives that section something from the top to the bottom all the way across. And let's see. I saw several people drew... Let's see, we have circles. Let's see. I saw several people draw rectangles. So we might draw a long rectangle. Remember, it should go from the top of that line to the bottom. Okay? So there's my rectangles. And I need to put something down here. I think I might do squares again. Just repeat that square pattern from up here. And I will need one more thing. Maybe I'll do the triangles again. So if you run out of ideas, now you could do hearts, you could do diamonds, you could do just lines. We could do a line pattern. So let me do that since that is a good idea. Let's see. So choose your colors wisely. So let's say I just wanted to do lines. I could draw that line going all the way across, a stripe. Okay? And maybe I'm going to make it a thick line. Just like I made these thick, maybe I'm going to make that a thick line of purple. And then in order to make it a pattern, let me see, I'm going to do the other color, purple, and do a thick line. I can draw the line all the way across and then color it in. So even just stripes. Draw a thick line, color it all the way in. Now what color would I do next to continue my pattern? I hope you said this other color, purple. There we go. So that's a pattern. Just stripes. So easy. Very easy. Okay. Now you may say, Miss Kilgore, that looks too simple. Look at how detailed those are. So now what we're going to do is we're really going to turn these into patterns, because right now if I just have all these green triangles, that's not really a pattern. But if I color one in one color, so this is white, and I color the other one in a different color, this is purple, right here, then I can start to create a pattern. See? White, purple, white, purple, white, purple. So I'm going to pick two colors. I'm going to speed this up and show you how I turn this into a pattern. Okay, so I am just picking my pattern colors on the triangle. I am going to do green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, and I repeat that. And then I'm going to add polka dots on my big circles. I'm choosing a purple and pink pattern. And as I go, I'm just adding pattern. I'm thinking about lines and shapes that I can repeat, that I can draw easily and repeat. You can do whatever pattern you want. You might just feel more comfortable coloring shapes in, but think about your patterns. We're going to try to go line by line and create a pattern in each line. You can have a different pattern in each line. Just like at the top of mine, I have triangles. Then I have a different pattern in the circles. Then a different pattern in the squares. Then that big wide band in the middle is also a different pattern. So have fun with this. Okay, I'm finished. So you want to color some things in, add designs to other things, think about pattern. Remember, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. This will keep going. Blue, green, blue, green, blue. That is a pattern because it repeats, okay? These I did purple polka dots, pink polka dots, purple, pink. That's a pattern because it repeats. Here I did an X and a cross or a plus, an X, a cross or a plus, an X. So you get the idea. Add your patterns, add lots of detail. Yours should be very detailed when you finish, and have fun.